check this out. Water's like glass. Good morning, everyone.
We came over here, right?
Our next tide is going to be at 2 o'clock.
G15.
Chance of scatter showers. And then rough.
They all send links and stuff.
Ready to bring it up.
Holding. Kind of looks like the shank of your anchor is bent a little. Maybe that's the way it's designed.
Okay, we are underway.
Where are we heading?
We are heading for Biscayne Bay.
Boca Chica.
Boca Chica. Okay, thank you. I couldn't remember.
But you're right. You're heading for Biscayne Bay too.
I can't tell because it's ripped off.
Ah, yeah. You can tell these guys put a new sign on. Yeah.
So it's at least 65, maybe 66.
That's not what we had yesterday.
Yeah. Cleared it! Just barely.
What was the pucker factor on that one?
Yeah, we know the height. You know you can make it, but you get close and it doesn't look like you're gonna make it. And I'm thinking, oh crap, there goes the mast, there goes the boat. But we made it.
And then once we get into there, through the next channel, then we can actually put up the sails.
We have markers to go to.
Yeah. Putting on personal flotation devices in the water. Float the PFD, front side up. Insert the arms down through the armholes. Flip the PFD up and over the head. Pull the PFD into place. Fasten the straps. Alright. Anchoring checklist. Clear anchor, flake out anchor road on deck. Jeez Louise, look at that. We are head to wind.
All right. Raising the mainsail.
Sorry? You can't do the vertical.
So, what do you look for?
Well, right now, without luffing to go away.
Yeah, you gotta get the luffing out. Still have a little bit of luffing. See it on that forward edge.
Yeah.
And you notice that your telltales are going to start to stream, both the red ones and the green ones. Pretty soon, you need to get a little more trim to get the green ones to stream, and you'll be all good. Beautiful.
Okay, right? They all seem pretty happy.
They're all happy.
Okay, the sails are trimmed and we are on a close hauled point of sail.
Alright, I'll kill the engines.
Sounds good.
Alright, now we're sailing.
Studying for today's test. It's gonna be a harder one. There are 100 questions per test, and we have 4 of them to take. We've taken 1, so we'll take another one today, and so on and so forth. And they have these neat little, like, flashcards to help you study for all the questions. That's what I'm doing.
Something you can't do in the RV.
No, steering, I'm keeping my heading, and we're moseying on, and I'm multitasking. It's good, and it's a beautiful day. I got no complaints.
We departed the marker at 10:42, and I just wrote down our speed, which is 3.6.
All right, so I get the calculator.
Come up with an ETA, distance over speed and time.
Yes, 4.7 divided by 3.6, so 1.3.
1.3.
So
okay, so 0.3 times 60. So that's
18.
1 hour, 18 minutes.
Which it is.
Oh look, it's almost perfect.
Haha.
12 noon?
I'm slow, you gotta wait for me.
Never said you're a math genius, right?
Never claimed to be a math genius. You want food or sales trend, I'm your girl.
We got 25.20.
25, 20.
And 80.18.6.
I,
Take that information.
yes, and I will go figure out where we are.
Find a fix. Find our fix.
Plot a fix.
Plot
Plot
a
a fix. One of us has to remember that. 20,
About it. There are some settings you can make on autopilot
18.6.
for efficiency. So in a smooth water,
That is where we are.
change the
Now I have to figure out our next bearing. 36 plus 7, 44 degrees. Okay, Jason, your new heading will be 44.
Okay. Turning to 44. Let's see if our sails cooperate.
I can trim and
So I'm at 45 now.
okay, so I will check out and see what's going on.
What's happening, Jason?
We've got one. Pull up.
You're not really gaining.
Okay, there we go. Here he is.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, baby.
That's
Pull
our
up.
second catch of the trip.
And okay, pull up.
Easy up.
Don't lose them. That's your dinner.
Pull up.
Yep, don't yank.
Okay, don't you?
No, going to pull his lips out of his face.
Okay. Oh no, that looks different.
There we go. Okay, buddy.
Hey!
Swim and be free.
Dang, Barracuda.
I know.
We had a good one.
All right.
The way it jumped, I thought it was gonna be something good. I had in my head like, tuna, maybe a sailfish, but I don't really know what kind of fish are here, so it was just a dream. Turned out to be a barracuda. We had to let it go. Can't eat those guys. Let me show you where we are, where we've gone today. This is where we anchored. Then we came up through the channel, up through here, Card Sound, through this channel, and way up here to the very edge of the map. And we're about to go through this channel, these two markers here. I'm gonna let it drop pretty hard because it's been giving us problems.
Ready to go.
All right, here we are. Head to wind.
Head to win.
Oh, there it goes.
Oh, that's so good.
Did you guys know you have some math steps to step up on?
No. So that's what this is?
Well, that might help, but these guys right here, just hold out.
And that's my red. So all
Correct.
of a sudden, is it red on the right now? Hard to tell from here.
Yeah.
All right. Go through this tiny little marker and hang a hard right to starboard to Boca Chica, where we're gonna do dock practice, engine and underpower practice. And I'd say that Nikki's had lots of experience docking. I've had 0 experience docking, so this should be quite interesting.
Nice little man-made basin in here.
Yeah.
This is part of the national park.
Wow. That is just lovely.
Now take a look at the seawall, Jason.
kinda
Tell me
low.
if that's going to actually work.
No, so
You might have to hang them vertically
okay.
instead of horizontally. First at the same time. And
We did that much better.
As long as we're pointing all you need is a bow and a
We're
skirt.
practicing our
Now, just
docking
for this,
skills.
you don't have to get tricky.
And there's no bumpers around here, so I'm really hoping we do this right. Otherwise, our boat will suffer.
Approaching the dock, you want to approach at about a 45-degree angle.
Okay.
Because most of the time you don't have the entire dock without boats.
Yeah, you're going
So
to
you-
need to...
If you approach at a very shallow angle, the first time there's a bunch of boats there, it's going to be hard to get in.
Yeah.
So our goal is up where those palm trees are. There's 2 ways to do it. One is to have the line ready to step off and then walk forward. The other possible way, since those cleats are pretty visible and handy, is to just have the line in a big U.
Just toss it over.
Yeah, have a lot of slack
Yeah.
like that.
Okay.
So there's 2 ways to do it, whichever way you'd like to do it.
That's looking real nice. You got another 2 feet or so. Okay, that's probably good.
Lots of slack.
Come on.
Hey, almost got it.
Does that work? Or is it gonna go all the way around?
Except it might slide off when we go backwards.
Gotcha.
There you go. So now you can secure your line onto the cleat with the cleat hitch,
Okay.
and then you have plenty of time. In fact, Nikki can step over here and get the stern line to a cleat.
So, like, probably to this one here.
Yeah, I could tie a bowline on those. You would do the outside
The
paddle.
bow line, it goes up to the cleat up there, and then we would need the stern line on the pad eye. I'm ready.
Okay, cast off.
So that's the fender. That's what it's there for. Slap. There you go. And don't turn left. That is an instinct people have. They immediately want to turn this way. But actually, you got to turn this way, the stern out before you paddle away.
Otherwise, then you will hit the sugar scoop too hard.
Bye.
Bye.
Enjoy your sail. Action.
I know, it's the slowest docking ever.
Nothing wrong with that.
Just watch, there's no Roving Fender at the moment.
Yep. And then Nikki can give you distance.
How close am I?
You're 5 feet. 4.
You're gonna want a Roving Fender.
So you want to twist this way, right?
3. I don't have a Roving Fender up here.
Yeah.
I want to grab this one, right?
Yep. Nice big one. There you go. Get the stern in. You can forward reverse a little bit.
As soon as you said that, I pulled back, so at least you communicated. Oh, that was close. That's my first time docking. It only took an hour.
Yeah, don't let anybody rush you.
No, no. Even in the RV, we were never rushed.
Okay, casting off. Ah.
You're not head to wind. You've got the wind on the side. So you're going to be making leeway, and that becomes more apparent the slower you go. That's why I say aim at them, because you're going to go this way.
Yeah. Okay.
Now this looks like a lot of scribble.
I can still see the figure eight
You can
in
still
there.
see your figure eight.
Yeah.
Once we do it, it makes a lot more sense. I just wanted to go through the why do we do this? The
Yeah.
reason is we got to get ourselves set up downwind of the person so that we can approach on close reach, luffing the sails. boat
Slowing down. Okay.
So now I'm in irons, I'm stopped, and now I have my wheel turned all the way to port. I'm actually expecting the boat to be pushed backwards by the wind to get my stern to go that way,
Okay.
and it's going to take a little time.
Okay. Hang in there, Bob.
Take a little less time if I had some wind.
Yeah.
All right, helm's the lead. We're tacking to a beam reach. What we'll need you to do next will be to luff, to slow us down. See, once you get the boat on a beam reach, you're just going back and forth between beam reaches. Not quite yet. I gotta get a little bit past them.
And then
Because
turn to.
when I stop on a close reach, I want to be pointed towards the lighthouse.
Okay.
We're gonna get you, Bob. Dead ahead.
Yep, we're about to run over it.
All right, Bob.
There he is.
Yep.
Stop.
No, he went under it.
Between.
Oh.
Did this wheel come back out?
We killed Bob.
There.
See him?
Yeah. I see him. He's right over there.
Poor Bob.
Bob's a goner.
There he is. Bob, you should have swam when we told you to.
Oh, poor Bob's getting waterboarded right now.
Forward.
Okay, I'm gonna push him down under the water. You learned your lesson.
I'll try to turn back to the wind, but.
Bob, you little. I got him. Yay! I got him, Bob.
Aren't you glad you didn't
wanna
decide
come
to
back
jump in,
in.
Terry?
I would have swam.
Yeah.
Okay, we got Bob.
He wasn't dead before, he is now. Hey, Bob. Oh no, Bob!
Oh my.
He's overboard, man!
And overboard. All right, turn into a broad reach. Beam
Bob.
reach.
Bob, why would
So I need to.
all the way to port. Okay. Hopefully I can nab Bob. Don't float away, Bob. Hang in there. I got Bob! Bob's rescued! Excellent job, Jason!
Had a good team. Now give it a Okay, Bob. I'm really, really sorry about this, but man overboard!
Oh, Bob, not again! Alright. So
Okay.
I'm gonna bear away
pointing.
to a beam reach.
Okay. So I need to
Bearing
ease
away.
the mainsail and ease the jib. I still see him.
Okay, we're on a beam reach.
Okay, I'm easing the mainsail. I still see him.
Hang in there, Bob. Alright.
After you tack, is just keep on bearing away.
Bob's about 10 feet away off the front.
Okay.
You're plenty close.
Knees over.
You're about to run over him. Yeah. Ran over him. It's okay.
Right next to the boat.
He can duck. Hey, Bob. Hey, Bob. Yeah. Uh-oh. Hey. Oh, here he comes.
Here he goes.
He's alive.
Oh, good.
Hey.
Swim, Bob.
Here we go. And Good job, Bob.
Oh, Bob, I'm buying you a beer tonight.
Yeah, you need a beer, buddy.
What's that massive bruise on his forehead?
Success. We got Bob 3 times.
Your thoughts on the fact that I hear Bob has decided to file a lawsuit against Nikki for damages incurred.
For injuries?
For injuries incurred during rescue.
I think we might have another man overboard situation.
Oh.
All right, Bob, let's go again.
If you're wondering about our test,
Well, we aced it. Yeah.
and as for Bob, he agreed to drop the lawsuit as long as we agreed to never throw him overboard again.
As always, thanks for watching
Make sure to subscribe if you aren't already.
and become part of the crew on Patreon. Patreon?
Patron.
Patreon.
Patron. Patron.
Whatever.
You get the idea.